I'm Tei, and this is a quick review of Shota Todoroki Nendoroid from My Hero Academia manga and anime. For about 2 years, we didn't have any Nendos from the series beside Deku and Bakugo, so the announcement was a real surprise and I had to pre-order Todoroki to show my support. Let's see if it was worth it. The articulation is pretty standard for Super Mobile Nendoroid, which is good. I'm not a fan of the hands though. Thanks to the wrist seam, they always seem to me like baby hands. Unfortunately, the articulation is the best thing I can point out in this figure. Todoroki comes with 3 face plates. First, a calm, standard expression. Then, a combat expression. And finally, a smiling expression. All of them are definitely lacking, but the accessories situation is worse. There are 2 cool ones, an ice fist effect and a fire fist effect. And there is a sign crash, and 2 alternative hands, and a special icy base effect, and that's it, nothing more. As you can see, the whole set is lacking. I know Todoroki doesn't have much of memorable expressions or accessories, but this is how a disappointment looks to me. I'm not a fan of the character, and even I think he doesn't deserve it, but I still got him for a full collection. I'm glad he paved out a road for more MHA Nendos. Anyway, I needed a shot of him for this video. The lack of interesting parts didn't help, so I decided to start with something I wanted to test out for some time now. Sparkler. In the end, I asked my girlfriend to help me with pushing camera's button while I tried to imitate a punching effect. If you tried something like this, please do it carefully or ask your parents. I can't recommend this Nendoroid to anyone who's not a die-hard fan of My Hero Academia, but if you are, I'd say it's not entirely bad, so consider it. Thank you for watching, visit me on Instagram, read Vigilante spin-off manga, it's good. It's been Taste on Figures, I'm Tei, bye!